Yo, yo, yo. Yo, 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 yo.
Can you close the back door?
Yeah, I take care of it.
Who's got this one? Hi, Luna.
What's good? Who's here? Who's here? Yo, yo, yo. Yo, Jim, bot number one, Jim Blob. Will, Konija, Just Ain't Right, Simon, Lobster Dauber, or Lobber Juwan, what up? Micah, Lord Woodslinger. It was a great day. I didn't even have to use my AK. I got to say, it was a good day. John Q. Ha. As long as it's not in that account, right? Chad Dean, yes, sir. Moo. Yes, sir. His best song by far. That's for sure. Let me get my screen sharing going since I'm already logged into everything. Boy, there it is. All right. Make this. What happened so far? Anything? Nothing really. We popped a little bit. Now we're dropping back down. Any news on financial juice? Need to know market risk. Nothing. X show. What up? Inception. Do I do TikTok lives? No. I barely have a following on TikTok. If I could add it to I think I could tap into it with Streamlabs. I'm not sure though. But let's wait for some more people to roll on in, and then we'll do this. 1, 2, 3, boom, boom, boom. 2, 4, 6, 1,000. We got to do this. Let me close this fucking door. It's been raining all day over here in the desert, brother. Bear flag on a. Yeah, that is the question. What's gold doing? Gold's up already. Gold's already up. Well, kinda. Kinda. Kinda, sorta. Bacon, yep. We're about to request some more payouts. Bacon. I'm just out here. I just got the pedal to the metal, man. I'm pounding these live streams like roast beef. Simon, please go down. Let's see what the NQ's looking like. It doesn't look great. It does not look great. I can tell you that much. It doesn't look fantastic. If I go on the hourly right here, looks like ass. Huh. Where's Dan? JK. Simon. Yeah. We got like this W right here, this Whack Arnold's W. Looks like a harmonic W. And look what it did. The right side of the W did not, it couldn't get up as high as the left side of the W, and now it's fucking dumping. It could fucking come down. If that's what's happening right now, I don't usually look at it at the bigger time frames, but I see it. I seen it like a zenith. We got the lower high, lower low, and then this couldn't fucking come and match this part at the side of the W. I mean, we could fucking dump. But I don't know. Wells Fondue, Kenny, what up? Hey, there'll be opportunities, Lord Whistlinger. It really depends on what you like to look for. Maybe not what you look for, but there'll be opportunities. It was very slow and light today, that's for sure. That's for shit sure. We'll wait until like a few more people roll in, and then we'll get this party started. Konija. Yeah. That's not a bad approach. Because Asia fucks around a lot. Asia likes to play FAFO. Asia likes to FAFO and doesn't give a fuck about your accounts. I can tell you that much. Just requested 5K. Nice job, Wells. Great fucking job. Hey, as long as you didn't violate the rules, you should be fine, right? Yash, what up? What's funny about this is I requested this one on Wednesday around, around the same time, right? I requested this one on Friday. This one's still pending since Wednesday. This one got approved Saturday morning. Like, I was sleeping when it got approved. So we'll see how these play out. Just follow the rules, guys. That's all you got to do. Anyone who doesn't says Apex doesn't pay their traders. You know? Eric J, what's good? Nas Scammers, what up? Do I copy trade with Apex accounts? I sure do. I have not yet in wealth charts because I know how to do it, but I kind of don't know how to do it. I know how to pull it up on the screen. I just don't want to. I'd have to get some more evals and fuck around with the evals. You know what I mean? I'm not going to fucking risk funded accounts on that shit. Why is that still showing? I got to refresh this. So there we go. So, but I do on this, like, look, do you see these three, 77, 78, and 79? These are the ones I'm about to request on. Look, the amounts are the same because I copy traded them. They're in the group called Isaac Cappy Didn't Kill Himself. That's the group they're in together, 77, 78, and 79. And we're about to request 6Gs total. Ro, what's up? RM. Hello. Kelly, Kinney. Asia holiday for markets, May 5th through 6th. Okay. So it could be very slow and even less volume. Good to know. Thanks for sharing. Yeah. Simon. Well, did you see what Kelly Kinney just said? Seems like that's part of it. Did the Asia session even open yet? When does Asia officially open? I don't even know if it's open yet. Maybe it's going to open in a few minutes. Is it this hour or the next hour that it opens? Come on, let's refresh, approve. No. In an hour. Yeah, so, yeah, exactly. So it's not even, I just don't, it could be a snooze fest until London. You can't, that's not the rule. The rule is you can't lose more than 30% of your drawdown. If you're below the buffer, it's 2,500. 30% of 2,500 is 750. If you're above the buffer, it's whatever you start the day at. So, like for example, this account's at, I have $3,278. I can't lose more than $983 in a single trade. But you know what? 700 is a good rule of thumb to go by. Keep it at 700. You'll be in good. You'll be fine. The London, it's never. It's no. It's not like New York. The London sessions are good. They could be good. Tokyo 8 p.m. Shanghai 9:30. Thank you, Kelly. Appreciate it. I don't care what Simon says about you, Kelly. You're okay by me. All right. All right. I can't help myself. I love that. I love that saying. It's such a great fucking saying. It really is. Man, it's fucking raining out here, man. I don't want to go to the. I don't want to drive in this shit. My son has soccer practice. I'm hoping they cancel it. I'm waiting for him to give me the word. Copy trading on Tradeovate, you can run into some issues. I very rarely encountered them, but I have encountered them in the past. I don't really worry about it too much until I run into the issue. But yeah, Micah, I like London better. I do a lot of damage during the overnight. A lot of times it's during London. I like to get as much out of the way as possible before I fucking have to trade New York. Especially like if I got a lot of shit going on, like if I got to go to fucking physical therapy and I'm gone all morning, like I don't want to leave all my funded accounts to fucking power hour and have to trade that shit there and then. I'm just asking for trouble. Chad, what up? Apex doesn't pay their traders. Ace of Luck, what's good? I haven't, just ain't right. I haven't seen Kellyanne. I haven't seen Kelly on. She hasn't been on my stream in a while. She's around though. She usually pops in. She usually, because everybody who has their own Discord loves hanging out in my Discord. They always hang out in the best Discord on these prop firm streets. She's been around though. What's up, Will? Why did I get denied on one payout? One payout. I got denied on these two. And then before that, when they flipped to the new, so I got denied here for the first time. That was when they were going through some shit. And they decided to reinforce all their rules. And I got denied for violating the DCA rule, which isn't even a fucking rule anymore. That was the only time I got denied until they changed their payout format and they added these improper risk management rules. And I got denied. It took me a while to figure out how to navigate around that and to learn how to trade with these new rules. So I got denied 8 times in a row. One of these denials, 1 or 2 of these was because I violated the 30% consistency rule. But I got denied 8 times in a row. And since then, I've been approved 20 out of 23 times, 20 out of 22 times. I'm still pending on this one. These 2 were improper risk management violations. But I've been paid a fuck ton since. And when all this was going on, so many people were telling me, Apex is a scam. Just walk away, Jay. Just walk away. You're never going to get paid. Apex doesn't pay their traders. And then what? Oh, what about all these times? Thank God I didn't listen to them. Thank God I don't listen to anybody other than myself. Good thing, right? Just got approved another payout right here. I'm still waiting on this one, and we're going to request more right now. Right now. Right now. Leonard, what up? Life of 12 dogs. How's the pizza in Vegas? There are a couple of spots where the pizza is fucking really good. And it's always spots where the people who run it are from New York. Like Joey's New York Pizza. Amazing fucking pizza. He's from the Bronx. He's a homie. One of the homies. Then I found out about another guy named Anthony. Anthony's Pizza. He's from the Bronx also, actually. He makes a really good pizza. And then there's Good Pie, and they make some. I think the people who started Good Pie are from New York too. Their upside down grandma is fucking off the hook. Walk away, Yash. You need to buy however many you want to get filled in each account. So if I'm trading these accounts, right? Let's say I wanted to trade these accounts, which I'm not going to. If I want to trade 1 mini each, I have to set my order for 3. So what will happen is if I have this check, you have to make sure this is checked off. You have to make sure your group is set up, which is very fucking easy to do. You go in here, you create the group, right? Group name. Fucking Apex doesn't pay their traders. We'll call it that, right? And then you drag the accounts you want to trade. And then the group's there. And then what you got to do after that is you check off the group you want to trade, and you have to make sure you're in an account. You have to trade. You have to have one of the accounts that's in the group selected. So now this is a group of 2 accounts. It has to be, and you could set the weight. I wouldn't fuck around with the weight, which means you could give one account more weight than the others or whatever. I would just leave it equal. So now if I'm in 2 accounts and I want to trade 1 mini each, I need to set my order for 2. Let's say I want to put in a sell order. So now look, see, it put 1 mini in this account, and then 851 has an order for 1 mini as well. But this account is blown, so it rejected the order. So it doesn't count. So I got to make sure I go in and cancel this order, which I did, and I'm killing this group because I don't want this group. I might save this for something else. That's actually a great name for a group. So I might just leave it there. But we're going to move this out of here. So it's an empty group right now. But that's really how you do it. It's that simple. It's even easier with Project SlipX. You got leaders and followers. So whatever you do in the lead account, it will do in the following accounts. All right, so let's request these fucking payouts because nothing's really happening with this market. All right, you guys ready? We got enough people on it. Konija. How do you get the Y to move up and down to trade the candles bigger in Tradeovate? Do you want them longer, like up and down longer, or wider? I go in. It's in here. I use a trackpad, so I'm separating the top from the. I'm going like this with my fingers. I'm spreading it apart. So it's probably something you got to do on a mouse where you click it, right click it, and then fucking drag it. Use the toggle thing, that little thing that spins in the middle. But this is how I do it. I just do it with my track. I use a trackpad. I don't use a mouse. And then it's the same thing if you want to do it here. You go left to right on a trackpad. Let me just make sure I don't have any fucking open orders on this shit. All right. Corey, I spread my fingers. That's right. I go bloop. She loves it. Bull flag on gold, huh? Fucking gold. Gold, man. What time frame? The hourly? I'm telling you, gold's just going to fucking... I could just see gold just fucking going all the way back up. Hot shot. Celtics and Knicks about to start. That's why there's no volume. Oh, yeah. I learned about continuous auto fit. Kelly Kinney, could you imagine? I traded with continuous auto fit for like 3 months before I figured out how to get rid of it. It was awful. It was awful. It will still do it in some regard, but not. Depends on where we are on the chart. It'll do it to some degree. I notice it still happens a little bit, but not to the point where you can't do anything on the screen, on the chart. I'm a habitual finger spreader. Look, we just fucking dropped. What the fuck was that? That's the 1 minute candle. New hour fuckery right there for you. It's not that much though, because I'm obviously I spread my fingers apart. I spread my fingers apart, so it's really not that huge of a move. We went down 10 points. LMB and Spumoni Square Pie in Brooklyn? No, I have not. Most of the pizza I ate was on Long Island. Almost all of the pizza, almost 95% of the pizza I ate when I lived in New York was on Long Island. And there's some really good fucking spots on Long Island. All right, guys, let's have some fun. Let's celebrate. Here we go. 277. I can request, please enter any amount, an amount between 500 and 2,000. There's one. I agree. Boom. Let's do it again. 278. Please enter an amount between 500 and 2,000. Always request a max. You guys can do whatever you want, but I highly recommend you request whatever is available whenever it's available. That's how I like to go, because you just never know what's going to happen on the next day. So I'm going to request another 2,000. Oh, look at that. Apex about to owe me some money. Whoops. 500 to 2,000. Boom. Oh, look at all these fucking payouts. Oh, yeah. We did it, Joe. 2,000, 4,000, 6,000, 8,000, 10,000, As long as they fucking approve them, right? There's no reason why they wouldn't. I gave all of these accounts. I did not violate any of their rules to the best of my knowledge. So whenever they get around to looking at this one and then looking at these three, hopefully they'll do them all at the same time. Hopefully I'll be telling you guys that I got approved for all 5 of these. I got approved for 1 so far. Hopefully I'll be telling you guys that we're at 10,000 in payouts this month from Apex. Boy. So and then I get to say, Apex doesn't pay their traders again. Gator trader. I do it for the old heads. And then I got 576 from Take Profit Trader in the beginning of the month. So if, let's say these all get approved, right? Assuming they do, I don't want to make any assumptions, but I'm 97% sure they're all going to get approved. I'll be at 10,576, and it's fucking the beginning of May. Lots of fucking time left to have a really good month. I'm on pace to definitely have my best month ever. Pound that confetti like roast beef. Simon, any good pizza in Manhattan? There's a ton of good pizza in Manhattan. I just don't know any spots off the top of my head. Bacon. What job? I don't have a fucking job. I'm unemployable. Trump speaks, what is that, in 20 minutes? Kenny. Yeah, 20 minutes, Trump's going to be talking at a MAGA event. You know what they say? That's why I don't want to make assumptions, Bowser. All I'm saying is I'm 97% confident that I will be approved, just based on the fact that, to the best of my knowledge, I did not violate any fucking rules. Any tips for a new streamer on fire at trading? Be consistent and be yourself. Yeah, Simon. What part are you talking about is nice? Are you talking about what we were talking about the other day? Like nice? Like very nice? My job is making subscribers pound that confetti like roast beef. Yo, West, yeah. There's definitely pockets. It's like anywhere. There's also fucking parts of Manhattan that you wouldn't want to be walking by yourself in. But that's everywhere. What's up?
Do you have a screwdriver? What's this?
They didn't give you anything?
They gave me one of the all shaped ones, but it doesn't have to be like a screwdriver.
Hold on a sec, guys. I gotta get something for my daughter. Here, hold this.
Don't call you.
Yeah,
I mean, I'm not something that.
I don't want you to stop it.
Yeah, I didn't realize it was right. There was so much styrofoam. I was actually tweeting out. I hate the sound it makes.
Yeah,
Horrible sound. What's about the spinning thing at the top?
that's just
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome, enjoy.
I'll be back when I need you. Like I said.
All right. Sorry, guys. Am I approved yet? Refresh. Now we're gonna have a refresh party. Please, please approve me. Darrell, I might let you, if you approve me on all these, I might let you swim in my pool again. I might let you ride on the swan with your thong. Please, please. Yo, this kid's practice has got to be canceled at this point. Please. Apex investing in some bot. It ain't Apex, bro. I can tell you that much. Crankberry, what up? No glove. They're not even going to use the glove. And I love the noise. I love the noise that the glove makes. You know what I'm saying? You know, when they pull it all the way down and they let go, it's like, that's my favorite noise. Just ain't right. Matthew, what up? Thank you, thank you. Don't congratulate me yet. I guess you could congratulate me on the requests. Don't congratulate me yet until they're approved. You know what I'm saying? I did get approved on one of them overnight, Friday going into Saturday, but this one from Wednesday is still pending, and obviously these are still pending because I just requested them 5 minutes ago. All we need is some Uncle Mo. We need to send Uncle Mo to Apex. Oh, nice one-on-one help. Yeah, I mean, think about what I did. What do I do? What do I do that's so special? I mean, obviously I'm good with people and all that shit, but I just keep showing up, bro. All I do is I just keep showing up. I don't give a fuck what anybody says, especially fucking loser haters, right? I don't give a fuck. I just keep it moving. Time to FAFO? Is it time to FAFO? This shit is barely fucking moving. We literally have gone nowhere. The market opened right here, right? We're literally right where the market opened. I'm watching the order block, not really the block, but I'm watching the fucking order block right here. There's literally nothing happening. People are buying 3/4 of a point worth of NQ, 0.5, 1, 2 ticks, 3 ticks of NQ. This is the fucking orders that are coming through right now. Hey, look who it is. It's Sean. What up, Sean? Coming from another streamer again? Micah, nice job, bro. Yeah, dude, it's just been real fucking slow. Timothy, yeah, Timothy Chapo. This shit is what the fuck am I supposed to do here? I mean, first of all, I have to activate my XFAs. I have 2 XFAs I have to activate. So that's for starters. I'm looking in my Top Step account. I don't think I want to fuck with Top Step right now. Sean, you know I'm just fucking with you, right, Sean? Oh, shit. That's right. We're in the guys are in the grower, not shower crib. I'm never really out here. This is where I used to hang out when I first started streaming. This is like this is where we all hang out all the time in the house. It's got the kitchen, the dining room, and then the living room over there. And then the rest of the house is that way, and then upstairs and shit. But I got kicked out of here because I'm too fucking loud. But my wife's working out in the room I usually stream in. So she kicked me out of there. Now I'm back over here. I'm over here now. JC Trades, the real newspaper. Lean Hogs has better price action than this. I mean, what's gold doing? I mean, we're like, look, it's like slowly growing. Like, I don't trust this shit. I hate when the price action is like this. It's up 16 points in like 20 minutes. Gold, same shit. Same shit's happening. I don't know. Like, I get it. I'm sure people are into trades and they're sitting in a fucking trade, riding out this chop, hoping that whatever direction they think it's going to go in, it plays out for them. But I don't know. I don't fuck with this shit. I don't like this shit at all. By the way, if you want to hang out with the DGen fam, the DCA gang, which also happens to be the best community on these prop firm streets, you're more than welcome to join. It's free for now. Let me drop the link in here for the Discord. Seriously, it's the best fucking community on these prop firm streets. Not even close. We're closing in on 1,300 members. Yeah, Trump talking, man. He's going to, hopefully he talks about some shit like China and tariffs. Then we'll start getting some fucking crazy candles. But there's a link to the Discord. I wonder when Apex is going to do a fucking sale. Let's do this. Nothing. Well, they are. They're doing 50% off right now, guys, which means don't buy shit until they do something better. 50% off Apex is like paying full price. Let's see. We approved yet? Oh, damn it. It's been 10 minutes already. Please. I mean, this is decent. I just don't trust it. Yeah, gold's fun to trade. The thing I'm still learning about gold is the moves when they happen, like to intraday moves, where there's like a rejection or a bounce or whatever, they're always bigger than I think they're going to be. And I get in trouble when that happens. And like it'll fucking shake you out of a trade if your stop's not wide enough. You got to be careful. Dude, Yash, I mean that would be amazing. But not many prop firms do. My Fund the Future pays My Fund the Futures pays the fastest. And right now, for a limited time, guys, if you've never had an account with them, for the month of May, if you get an account, any type of account, any size, you could get 50% off whatever account you decide to get as your first ever account with them when you put in the best code ZERODAYJAY. And if you do have an account with them, you could save 20% off Starter Plus for the entire week. This is what I'm talking about. This fucking bullshit. 20% off any size Starter Plus account for the entire week until the end of Sunday, and 5% off of anything else whenever. Anything else that's not on sale, 5% off, including resets. When you put in the best code ZERODAYJAY. What else is going on these prop firm streets? Take Profit Trader, my favorite prop firm out of all of them, 30% off plus no activation fee still. The activation is waived, it's free, it's zip, zilch, nada, nothing. When you put in the best code ZERODAYJAY. Exclusive deal. Exclusive. My Fund the Futures is great. I think they're good. They're not my favorite. You know? If you had to choose between what to spend the money on between this or take profit trader right now with the current deals, I would say take profit trader, just because there's more, you could pull more money out more often. But with that said, if you're looking to diversify and you're looking for another prop from the trade with, and you never had an account with them, why not grab one? Especially right now at 50% off, you could get a starter account for $48.50. And there's no activation fee on their eval. So if you pass an eval or when you pass an eval, you don't pay an activation fee. So 50% off of 48, you could be all in with a My Funded Futures account where you could get paid as much as $1,200 every 5 days until you get pushed into a live account. If you grow the account that much, $48.50 is fucking amazing. Mr. Schultz. Gator Trader. What am I expecting the market to do? I'm expecting it to go right. I have to look. I mean, I don't know. I don't like to make predictions. It doesn't look good to the upside, but Trump's about to talk, so he's going to fuck everything up. But, I mean, if you look here, it doesn't look great. On the hourly, it looks like it could go down. If it clears like this right here, if it clears 19,970, this shit could drop down to fucking 857 where this pivot point is, or even Friday's low. Friday's low is, actually yesterday's low. Sorry. Yesterday's low is what? 19,751 if this plays out, which I could see happening. I'm not going to say that's going to happen. I have no fucking idea. Here's this. If I were to draw a happy Fibonacci from this low to this high, I would say we could bounce. Let's see where the midline is. I don't need that anymore. Fuck that. Let's do this again. We're going to draw a happy Fibonacci from the last low on the 4 hour to the high, to the last high. Let's zoom in on this fucker a little bit. I'm like, they call me the Bob Ross of Fibonacci's. These are happy little Fibonacci. But look, we're at the... Hold on, I got to get rid of some of these. Peace. 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 I draw them all over the place, all different time frames, and I just want to make sure I got the right ones on here. If I want to draw new ones, I'll just draw new ones. All right. We are right at the midline. We bounced off the midline. Go figure. On this 4 hour time frame fib. I've been noticing a lot of fucking bouncing off the midline lately. Bouncing and rejection off the midline of the Fibonacci, which is the 50% mark. The 618 is always in play. And look at the bottom of this golden shower pocket. Look what's here. If we were to fall through all of this, I could see us bouncing right at this fucking pivot point, which is right at the bottom of this golden shower pocket, the very last line of support. So I don't know. I just don't know what's going to happen. There's no volume right now. Anything can fucking happen. Costa, what up? So I don't like to make predictions. I don't know what the fuck's going to happen. I'm better at making predictions for gold because I'm usually pretty spot on with gold. But like I don't trade gold that good because you can't swing with prop firm accounts. Like I said, this is the daily. I said we're probably going to bounce around here. If we don't bounce around here, we're going to bounce around here. And sure enough, we bounced right here at the bottom of this little fucking range. We bounced a fuck ton. We bounced from 210. We bounced 140 points. Newts. He's at the playground. You're going to ruin all these kids. I got to watch my mouth around all the kids at the playground. Well, yeah, there it is. Requested 3 times 2,000. We approved yet? Oh, man. Oh, man. Costa. Oh, Lisa. I always stream during power hour. And normally I'd be streaming for my son's soccer practice today, doing a whip stream. But I don't think practice is happening. It's fucking dumping. It's pouring out right now. But the coach hasn't officially fucking canceled. So I don't know. He's probably waiting to see what happens. It's fucking raining so hard over here. TJP. The other thing, yeah, Lisa, like, I've been like fucking falling asleep during the overnight. So it's like whenever I wake up, I'll hop on. I've also been streaming like New York. You don't get my notifications clearly, but I'm always on for Power Hour. You know that. I will always be on between 3 and 5 p.m. Eastern. Everything else is like whenever. Dude, Mo, I have no idea, bro. I requested this one on Wednesday. This was the first one. This was the first one I requested out of this group of 5. It's still pending. This one I requested Friday. It was approved by the time I woke up Saturday morning. And then these I just requested. So this one might have been like one of those automated approvals, which I'm cool with, obviously. This one might have to get looked at by some real human eyes, which is fine with me because I didn't violate any fucking rules, baby. At least as far as I know. What up, Ryan? Yeah, you know what's happening? Like, I had people telling me in my streams that, hey, I've been waiting 5 days. I haven't been approved. I requested 4 or 5 days ago. I haven't been approved yet. And then in the same stream, in the same chat, I'd have people saying, yeah, I requested last night and I got approved. So we have like both ends of the spectrum. And I have accounts that fell into both ends of that spectrum. Bacon has been unemployed for 5 years. Unemployable or just unemployed? Maybe a little bit of both. It's funnier in the rain. Yeah, I wonder what that would be like. You would just hear rain pounding on my car. It's really coming down. You would hear unemployed Bacon. My bad, bro. Yeah, I'm not even worried about it, man. I'm not even worried about it. Whenever they get around to, looking at them is whenever they'll get around to it. I'm not going to sweat it. The show goes on. Obviously, I'm not going to touch these accounts. I'm not going to trade these accounts until whatever decision they make happens. I'm going to wait. The only one I could trade is 271, which I already did yesterday. I got it up $577 already. Yo, Gator Trader, man, just know that you're getting closer to a payout. Just know that with every fucking blown account or blown eval or whatever, every time you get real close on a funded account and you just shit the bed or whatever, just know you're getting closer. They're playing right now? Okay. Okay. What are we doing here? Oh, Trump's talking. Look, as soon as Trump started talking, the fucking market goes down. Look at that shit. We just dropped like 15 fucking points. That's funny. Hilarious. Like Nick Cannon. All right, what are we going to do now? We're going to bounce off of this shit? What a drop. What's he talking about? What is he at? A little convention? Why is this a fucking first day of jury selection wraps in Sean Diddy Combs trial? Why the fuck is that on Financial Juice? Who gives a fuck? That's not going to move the market. Unless some major fucking market moving CEOs get fucking named. Yeah, I'm fucking tired. I want to go to the gym too. What the fuck? I don't want to drive in this shit. Uh-oh. Battery's going to die on this fucking thing. My battery. Ow, you fuck. What are we doing here? This shit sucks to trade right now. I'm not feeling any of this. Gold's barely moved. Nothing's moving because there's no volume. Bowser's hitting the 150K hard as fuck. M. Schultz, yeah. So the only company that could, maybe Johnson & Johnson might run into some issues because of all the oil he bought from them. Mr. Begbie, we already had that. We already partied. We're still partying, but we already did it. Keegan, what up? Yo, Trump just said, use the best code ZERODAYJay. He said it's the biggest, the largest, the hugest. But here we go. We requested right here. Boom, boom, boom. 246. What up, D-Walk? Yeah. Reporting to you live from outside the Diddy trial and trading. Mo, it's fucking dumping. It's raining hard as fuck. Watch, I'll show you. You want to see some fucking rain? It's fucking raining over here. I don't know if you can see it. Can't see the mountains or anything. What's up? All the dogs got up. What's up? What's up, Penny? It's dumping out there. Carlos, what up? Yeah, I didn't see. Yeah, Darrell's not in there. He's not allowed back in the pool until he approves all these payouts. What's Trump talking about? Anybody know what Trump's talking about? Oh, look, we just hit this low again. Are we going to dump here? It's kind of looking like a head and shoulders. We got the shoulder here. We got the head here. Maybe we got a shoulder here, and then we drop. Where's the low? Where's yesterday's low? Way down here. No. What am I talking about? This is Friday's low. Fuck, man. No. Yeah, this is Friday's low right here. This is yesterday's low is here. Yesterday's low is at 965. Friday's low, what I was talking about before, I thought maybe depending on how shit plays out, we could drop all the way to Friday's low. I said yesterday. I meant Friday. Friday's low is down here at 750. Yesterday's low is right here at 965. That's not too far from where we're at. That's 50 points away. The other thing we got going here, we got the bottom orb right here at 20,007. We rejected off the top orb. There we go. Whoops, wrong account. There we go. Whoops, I don't want to sell. I want to buy. I'll place an order at the, watch this. Buy one. Buy one. I guess it's not ready to come down yet. Where's Darrell? Darrell's nutsack's always around, TJP. Simon, we're going to tariff so huge. Huge tariffs. Am I anybody out there? We're going to tariff so huge. I want to kill this fucking fly. Come over here. Get over here. Crank. FAFO hour. Yup. Give me this fucking bottom orb right here. Give me this bottom orb. Do it for the stream. Oh, wow. What's Trump saying? Is the market going up because the Knicks are winning? They're not winning. They're down by a point. Damn it. Top orb is, where's the top orb? Top orb is, oh, that's the top. We just hit the top orb. No, top orb is up here at 31. We're definitely in a, I mean, that looks like a bear flag if I've ever seen one. Doesn't look good to the upside. Oh, we're rejecting off the VWAP. Tariff to Diddy oil. Eric J. Yeah, I saw that. Yup. I don't have money on it. But I'm keeping an eye on it on ESPN.com. Bot Yacht Club. Bobby Lashley, what up, man? Thank you, sir. Thank you. One of the OGs. Consistent trader. I haven't traded it yet. Oh, in terms of like, because I haven't entered a trade yet. I'm just waiting. I don't know, man. This shit is brutal. This is the time that I usually fucking do dumb shit because it's so bad and so choppy and just no direction really. There's not, there's no fucking volume. I don't know. I have an order in to go long at the bottom orb, which we haven't gotten to yet. We've just been hanging around this area right here. Maybe I'll be better off shorting to the bottom orb. But I don't know. I might not trade at all. I might not. If I don't get filled by the time it's time for me to get off, then I don't get filled. I got to go to the gym at some point, which I don't want to drive in this shit, but I got to go and work out. You know how you could change it? You know, you could drag it, right? I do. Yo, consistent trader. I will say I do trade better, and for whatever reason, I've been trading. I hold trades longer in there too. I hit my take profits in wealth charts, or should I say wealth charts, more often than I do in TradeAvate. I can tell you that much, or anywhere really. But yeah, I run into the same thing. But you could watch if I put. Let's just pretend. What am I at? 271. So if I place an order here, here's a sell order, right? You could do this. Did you know that? You could do that with any order that's on the chart. You could drag the fucker around. Hey, bot yacht club. It could go either way, man. Nobody knows right now. There's no fucking volume. Whatever Trump's talking about at this little event that he's doing, or whatever he's doing, a MAGA event. That's how sad the market is right now, that it might react to whatever he's saying at some private event. It's pretty bad though. Bondo, what up? I mean, we did get his little double bottom here. Whoops. I don't trust this shit though. I don't trust any of this shit. Where's the top orb? Top orb is at 31.75, 31-ish. Yeah, I mean, he's talking right now, or somebody's talking there. I don't know. Did they approve my request? God damn it. I know they're not going to approve it now. I really would love for them to do some sort of sale. Yeah, I got some rebuilds coming through. Look, I don't love it. I don't love wealth charts, but it's not that bad. Once I figured out how to use it, it's not terrible. And look, I took 2 accounts to payouts. I'm already working on payout number 2 with this one. We'll see if I can get it, but whatever. What is that, a 25K bacon? $85 a month activation. The lifetime activation fee on wealth charts is $130, just like all the other accounts. But $85 a month is their standard activation fee if you go with the monthly route. This shit is so fucking bad. Like, I want to trade. I just don't know what the fuck. What am I doing here? This shit is so fucking brutal. Whoa, what the fuck? Man, I just wanted us to hit the bottom orb. Alpha futures, I don't really know too much about them. Yeah, me too. I got some 90% off recurring in wealth charts and TradeAvate. Looking forward to getting them. Looking forward to those coming through. So we can play pass or smash. What up, iTrade? Yeah, this shit is fucking brutal. Alpha, these nuts. Oh, man. Oh, you know what I could do? Let me get my flip days in with these. Actually, this one I need to grow a little bit. Oh, look, it kind of rejected off the 5-minute 21. Which one I need to grow? Oh, this one I just need to get a flip in. I like to win the flips, but we'll see what happens. Come on, hit it, baby. Hit it. Getting my flip day. This is day 4. Let's lock in day 4, baby. Come on, baby. Give it to me. Please. Let me put my stop in. I could afford to lose money on this account, but I don't want to. I want to win, baby. I want to win. Oh. Granny, don't. All right. I lost. Oh, well. I'm still up. I still got this shit passed. Just need one more day to flip. Let's get to the other one. This one's kind of, I need to trade it a little bit more than just flip it. Let's see. We're going to go down. Let's see. That was fucked up. You know why that happened? Because there's no fucking volume. There's no volume whatsoever. Come on, baby. Granny, please. Granny, don't. This thing wants to go up. Are you serious right now? Let's add one here. What the fuck? Oh my God, are you serious? You fucking piece of shit. What is it going to fill this wick? Probably. Come on. This one I kind of have to grow a little bit. Because my biggest day was 1,506. So I really got to grow up by I got to get it up by like $7. There we go. I'm in 2. And this is not how you want to do it. I should have just traded. I should have just went long. Why didn't I just go long? Come on, hit it, baby. Hit my take profit, please. Do it for the stream. Almost had it. Let's go. Drop it. Please. Come on. Let's go. Do it. Do it. Do it. Do it. Oh, boo. What is it? Retesting the VWAP and it's going to bounce here? The fuck out of here. I trade all hours of the day, but I stream and trade. I'm always on for power hour, 3 to 5 p.m. Eastern, Bot Yacht Club. And then at night, it's just random whenever I hop on. I like to trade during London. I just don't know exactly when I'm going to come on. And sometimes I sleep through it. So whenever I wake up, I'll hop on. Let's go hit that shit. There she is. Oh, she doesn't want to be seen. She doesn't want to be seen. Look at her. I'm not. Don't worry.
I could hear you screaming.
I'm not screaming. I'm just talking. This is the way that I talk. It's the way that I talk. Hey, we did it, Joe. Yeah, buddy. I got to relocate. I'm getting kicked out. I'm getting kicked out. Why couldn't this is what I wanted to happen in the other trade, in the other account. Oh, I got to pay attention. I got this order down here still. This is the way that I talk.
Unfortunately, it is.
Unfortunately, you had plenty of time to change your mind, babe.
I don't want to change my mind. I love you, but you're
Oh, she loves me, she said. She loves me. I love you, but you're annoying.
Okay, well, they don't have to listen to you scream
What?
all day.
They don't have to listen to me scream all day?
That's what I said.
What?
You're just gonna
Am I just gonna repeat back everything that you say? Oh man. Oh, she got a knife in her hand.
Yeah.
She's got a knife in her hand, guys. I better get out of here.
Is soccer canceled?
I don't know. It's dumping. He hasn't said anything. He hasn't said anything, and there's nothing in the chat. There's only like 4 kids that said they were in. That's also going on. Hold on, guys. I gotta relocate. Come on, fill me. Fill me up. Let's go. Fill my order, baby. Fill me up, Daddy NQ. That's what my wife calls me. My wife calls me Daddy NQ. She says, fill me up. It's fucking hot in here. Oh. Oh. It's fucking dumping out. It doesn't seem to want to get like lower than this area right here. There's just no fucking volume. There's just no volume. All right, bot. What up, Michael Escorza? What's good? Bowser, I mean, I was on today. Well, when the market, right after the market opened, I was on. But I haven't been on during London. I just been sleeping like ever since ever since I had to wake up to take my wife and kids to the airport early. I haven't done a London stream in a while. That's basically the last time I did one. I've been streaming at random fucking times ever since. Aside from power hour is always going to happen. Unless there is no power hour because the market's closing early. But yeah. No, they didn't have number 80 did not win. It's Jim Blob. It's hot as fucking here because my wife worked out. Come on, baby. Fill me up here. Fill me. Am I still pending? God damn it. This is like torture. Trading this shit is like torture. This shit's barely fucking moving. Yeah, bank holiday in London. Right now there's a holiday. Is it a bank holiday? Where is it? In Japan or some shit? You got 350K my funded futures evals for this month. Plan to get 3 funded this month for... Yes, sir. Make it happen, Michael Escorza. So now gold is dropping, so the NQ is fucking going up. Gold couldn't just go up a little bit more. Oh boy, what up? Yeah, there's nothing unless you. The only deal is 45% off, and it's not even worth me making a code for. With Bull and Ox, I'm gonna wait until they go back to like 83% or 75 or something. There's no point. Whatchamacallit, eval resets are cheaper. It's cheaper to reset an eval from Bull and Ox right now than to get a new account. So just hold out, just hold up. You know, wait it out. Wait till they do something because right now they ain't doing shit. 45%. If you really want to save 45% on Bullinox, which I do not recommend, here. If you really want to grab an account, yeah, I don't know if they're going to do 91 again anytime soon, but they'll probably do fucking 83 or 75. They'll do something. But there's my link for 45% off. I mean, not my link, but my code for 45% off of Bullinox. Don't even waste your money. Save your money. Oh, practice is officially canceled. Practice is officially canceled. Look at gold. What the fuck just happened? Oh, we got new hour fuckery. Oh my God, look, I just missed getting filled. Are you fucking serious? Look at that. You got to be fucking kidding me. I guarantee you if that was, this is Project SlipX, if that was my stop loss, it would have hit my stop and taken me out of the trade for a loss. We all fucking know it. You got to be fucking kidding me. We need somebody. Yo, Sean, we need somebody to take out a fat payout from Apex so they could do 90% off again. Facts, bro. Facts. Come on, fill me. Can you fill me? I'm just worried about this new hour fuckery just completely fucking dumping this shit, which would suck. Oh, there's one. There's one. New hour fuckery. The issue is there's a holiday, so I don't know what's going to happen when this Asia market opens. What kind of price action is going to be? We're going to find out. Let me put a fucking stop in place. I don't want to get completely fucked here. Probably going to find my stop down here. There's the bottom orb. We finally hit the bottom orb. Is the bottom orb going to hold? Or is it going to go down to 20,000? Finally entered into a fucking trade. All right, it's Asia now. It's Asia now. Uh-oh, I'm in both now. Maybe I got filled in one more. New hour fuckery, baby. FAFO hour. John Amos. Apex doesn't pay their traders. JC Trades. Triple B. 50K is the only one. Yeah. J45 is the only option 150K. Don't Triple B. Don't even grab one right now, dude. They were doing 91% off last month for the most part, and they extended it until Friday. I wouldn't grab an account right now until they do some sort of deal, because 45% off ain't it. Trust me. They do much better deals. They'll do 83%, 75%, and then they'll do 91s every once in a while. That's the 91. At least 75% is what you want, but really 83 is a good deal. That's what they do a lot of the time. All right, what are we doing here? Do I want to lock this in? Is it going to keep popping? Oh, shit. I have to. I can't let this come all the way back down. I got trailing drawdown. I got to lock in gains. It's going to take me out, of course, and then go up higher. We all know 80% of the time my take profit gets hit, and 80% of the time I'm not in the fucking trade anymore, but we'll see what happens here. 400? I mean, 400 is a good day. I'm only on day 4. This will be day 4. Fuck it. Let's see if it pushes. It didn't yet. It didn't hit the 34. Let's see if it pushes up a little more. Fuck it. Let's do this. Raise it. I mean, my take profit was here. Well, there's 329. Look at that shit. Yo, that's why you lock in gains. Basically back to my original entry. Is it going to retest the bottom orb and then bounce again? We're at the bottom orb. We're back at the bottom orb. Or is it going to drop more and just completely dump? F4, what up? Yeah, I would hold out. That's what I'm saying. Like, Robert Gallus, what up, man? Triple B, like, I would wait, bro. I would wait. Like, I don't know who you like to trade with, but if you're going to try out Bolonox or you're going to grab accounts of Bolonox, wait till they do something at least 83% off. Look at that drop, man. Does it want to come back up? It did just hit the bottom orb. I'm scared. Fuck it. I don't know. I don't trust this shit. It's like it came down and retested the bottom orb, and now it's going to fucking pump and go to my fucking take profit. My original take profit was here. Basically the entire time I was waiting for the trade to get filled. But it's new hour fuckery. Like, anything could happen. I don't even want to get filled in that order. Am I at static right now? Okay. Yeah, but I'm only at static by like what, $225? Hard way, what up? I'm only in static. Look at that. It's look, watch this shit. Uh-oh. Look, there's no volume. Look, you see where that candle started? It started up here. The last candle ended here. The new candle started up like 3 points ahead, 3 points higher. Yeah, see, this is why I didn't trust this shit. I just don't trust new hour fuckery. And it's Asia. Asia just opened, and there's no volume, there's less volume because of the holidays or whatever. But hey, finally took a trade and we won it. I mean, shit. This account's at 2,800 on day 4. Do I really need to push this anymore? I could just say, fuck it. We all know I'm a fucking degenerate, and we all know I'm probably going to take another trade. But look, I got 4 days in. I'm at 2,800. I still need to trade for at least 4 more days before I could flip. I don't know. I don't know what I want to do. Looks like it wants to go to my take profit, though. We all know it's going to go to my take profit. Pine Tree, what up? Thank you, sir. Thank you. Let's see if the Apex approved my payout request. Damn it. They approved 1 of the 5. I just requested these, obviously. They're not going to approve these yet. I would love to wake up to all of these being approved. That'd be fucking amazing. That would make my fucking month, baby. Look at this shit go. I'm telling you, here it comes. It's going to come to my take profit. Oh, Eric J. Good thing, bro. Good thing. Look at that shit. Look, I'm telling you. My take profits always get hit. It's fucking crazy. All of the time. 80% of the time. 80% of the time, and 80% of the time I'm not in the fucking trade anymore. Look at that. It's coming for that. It's coming for it. I could have re-entered too. I canceled the re-entry at what? 7. It went up. It's up 12 fucking points. Yo, you saw it here first. It always fucking does it, man. Always. My original take profit was hanging out right around here. Boom. And then I raised it all the way up here. Unfucking real. Unfucking real. Never fucking fails. Never fucking fails. Canceled 29. 29's coming. But it was really around here, like 20 in the 20, like the low 20s. So I would have had fucking, what did I get out at? 14. I would have had another 7 points, another $400. Ancient Asian technique, yeah. Literally. You like your ex more than this price action? Here it comes. Watch, watch, watch. 29 incoming. There it is. There it is. Always, always. Amazing. I think it wants to go to the top orb. Top orb right here. Fucking bullshit, bro. Every fucking time. 29. That would have been another $600. What up, Trader Slava? What's good, man? My take profits get hit 80% of the time, and 80% of the time I'm no longer in the fucking trade. You know why? Because of this fucking thing. This shit shook. You know, I got out before that happened, but it fucking dumped. It went right back to my entry and then fucking popped. Can't make this shit up. Where are we at? What does it look like here? This is the up of the VWAP band we rejected off of so far. Oh, man. Am I not going to get fucking filled up here? Fucking, guys, man. It's crazy how often I don't fucking hold my shit and my take profit gets filled. It's amazing. Like, I am not exaggerating. This shit happens all the fucking time. It's so annoying. It's so fucking annoying. Here we go. Top orb. Top orb. 31.75. Here's the high. The high a day is what? 37.25. Since we reopened. Shit is moving so fucking slow. I'm so annoyed. Dude, all I got to do is hold. I could have re-entered too, but man. I think this wants to push up. I don't know though. The shit's moving so fucking slow. This shit is like watching paint dry. What up, G-Mac? It's Bowser. What, in terms of like your take profit getting hit after you're out of the trade? I'm so fucking annoyed right now. HR, what up? Thank you, sir. Thank you. It didn't quite, I mean, it kind of did touch the top orb, but just the tip, not even really. It kind of did. Damn, it's rejected off the top orb. Is it going to bounce off the, where's the VWAP at? The VWAP is right here. 22. Is it bouncing off of that? Oh, no, no. Oh, I'm scared. Martin Suarez, what up? I'm referring from the orb where the market reopened. The top and the bottom when the market reopened at 6 p.m. Eastern. That's the orb I look at more than anything. Really, it's the only thing I look at. I recently started looking at the New York orb as well, but we're not in New York, so I'm only looking at this. Amazing we came back to the bottom orb. The bottom orb is down here. Holy shit, it came all the way back. Look. Damn. I missed getting filled by I was hoping it would come up and actually hit the actual, it just detipped it, I guess. Let's see what happens. Ah. Boo. Micah. Yeah. Just a tip, Konija. Treetop. What's up? TD. Yeah, it's so bad. It's so bad, bro. Triple M. All right, don't trade that shit then, man. I don't fuck with crude, man. Man, if you had to choose one or the other that you have to fucking figure out, I would just fuck with gold. Crude is like the daily ranges on crude is not big at all, man. I don't like crude. Gold is where it's at. Bacon's dozing off. At least you're not the one doing the streaming. I've dozed off on streams before. Which joint is best for my fund, the futures again? I like the starters, the 50K starters. If you've never had an account with them before, you could get a 50K starter for 50% off. Any account for 50% off. The 50K starters are $48.50 when you use the best code ZERODAYJAY. And thank you, bro. I appreciate the support. This is awful. Awful. I can't believe I can believe I didn't hold until my take profit got hit because it always gets hit. I don't know if this might be a mistake. I don't trust this shit. Yeah, honest take. Well, look how it jumped all the way. Look how it shot down. It could be a trap. Like I feel like it wants to trap. It's deciding which way it wants to trap people. It wants to go down. I don't even trust this. Peter Schapp, what up? Josh Jagasaur, what's good? Well, yeah. I mean, honest take. I mean, bro, when doesn't the NQ try to fuck us? So there's the bottom orb again. It just looks like it wants to fucking fall out of it completely and make new lows. But I'm not confident enough in that happening to actually go short right now, obviously. But here it goes. We're out of it. Now I can see it like bouncing off of this again and then fucking retesting the bottom orb and then dumping. But look, it's fucking crazy. Ugh. I'm so annoyed. I'm so fucking annoyed right now. Newts is still at the fucking playground. Yeah, buddy. You're not missing much. Will, funny. Oh, that's I fucking see. I'm glad I can't. Good thing I canceled that buy order, right? You see that? Good fucking thing. And it's what I, dude. It's what I was worried about. That's exactly what I was worried about. Look what's happening here. Shoulder, head, shoulder. Yesterday's low a day. We're back. We're under 20,000 now. Where's Simon at? You get it, Simon? JC Trades. Yup. Finally, something's happening. Come back to the fucking... I'm so fucking annoyed. I'm so glad I didn't do anything completely fucking stupid, though. Come back here. Retest this shit right here and then go back down. Yeah, it's fucking bad. That's why, man. I'm so annoyed. I'm so annoyed I didn't take this I didn't hold this till here, but whatever. I'm just glad I didn't fuck up. I'm glad I canceled that order. Because it looked like it just wanted... Look what I saw a fucking... Look. You ever fuck with the harmonics? I learned it from fucking Dan Emmons. You see these fucking W's here? Watch this W. Here. Lower high. Lower low. And then the last part of the W doesn't get up to the... It's lower than the beginning of the left part of the W. And look what happens. It fucking dumps. And the same thing happens with M's the opposite way. Crazy. So this shit could fucking go down. Like, I don't know the specific... Like, Dan has it down to a science. This shit could fucking go down. Like, I think it's coming down here. It could come down here to 965. It could come down to fucking 946. If I go here... Remember I drew that fucking fib? Well, some of you guys were here before, but I drew a happy Fibonacci from the low, the 4-hour low here to the 4-hour high in this fucking area, right? In this flag, basically. And the 618 is right here at 953. The midline, we just got below the midline after kind of bouncing off of it. It was holding, but now we're below it. 618 here. The bottom of the golden shower pocket is at 19,855. Well, 865. There's a pivot point down there at 854 or 855. Sports Dom, what up? Yeah, that's what I'm hoping for. I don't know. We'll see. It just looks like it wants to keep going down, but I don't know. The golden shower pocket. Crankberry might participate in this, guys. Yeah, I mean, that's how this market, it's finally starting to get a little juicy where, like, you might want to start looking at taking some trades because it's just fucking sitting here. It's brutal. I wish the rain would slow down. Nestor. Yeah, they canceled it. They play on turf, and the other thing is, like, a lot of teams canceled. Oh, man, we went the whole fucking stream without getting any fucking bots. My favorite fucking hater just realized that I was streaming. They're like, oh, let me fucking ruin things. I should have got off 10 minutes ago. Yeah, this ain't me. Fucking piece of shit. Anyway. All right, we are. Yeah, it must have just bought new bot credits. Must have just bought new credits. Had to hit up his sugar daddy who's paying him to do this for new credits. What's gold doing? I bet gold is pumping. I don't even have to look to know gold is pumping. Let's see. Oh, wow. Gold dropped too? They're actually moving together. Crazy. Crazy. I'm surprised. I thought gold would have been pumping right now because they've been kind of moving it inversely. Jim Blob, I'm not, bro. I'm just, they're trying to cause damage to, they're trying to fuck my channel up, which means they're trying to cause harm to me. So I take it personal, but whatever. I've been through worse shit than this. Man, I'm fucking annoyed that I mean, I knew it was going to drop. I just didn't trust it. And we dropped. I canceled my order here. I was like, if I don't want to, I want to cancel this order. We dropped another, how many points? 23 points, which isn't really that big if you really think about it in the grand scheme of things. They're doing it to everyone. I know they did it to Top Step. Who else are they hitting? Every day, every time they stream? I get hit every time I fucking stream. A Juicy Smollett. Yeah. Juicy. Yeah, Triple M. Yep. We had like 140 people on. We had 140 real people on, and then this shit. Recently too? When? When was Rips hit? Do they get hit every time they fucking stream like I do? I think PW. No, not every fucking time. I get hit every fucking time. Every fucking time. Not just some of the time. Every fucking time. All right, here's the previous day. Here's the previous day's low. Yesterday's low right here. 65. Pivot point. 618 at 51. This head and shoulders is kind of fucking playing out, right? How big is it? Where's the neckline at? Around here? 45. We could drop, fuck. We could drop another fucking 100, 130, 140 points. You'll hit refresh, Bowser. It's a lot more than that. Look. $2,228. Let me go to my fucking my back end shit. 2,228. 2,177. 2,806. We were just at. So I mean that's, you know, whatever. Yeah, Micah trades. I just don't think they're doing. John, they're not doing it to everyone as often as they do it to me. I heard they hit top step. They hit top step. All right, be good, Newts. They hit top step the other day, I heard, like on Friday or some shit, or last week sometime. They literally, every time I fucking stream, I get hit with this shit. And I thought I was going to get through the stream without it happening. And then it just fucking happened. I should have hopped off like 20 minutes ago, 10 minutes ago. I don't know, bro. I think it's someone that's mad at me because I say too much. Maybe it's fucking jerk off that douchebag Scott from Fast Track. Or maybe it's that fucking clown Sage. I don't know who it is. Maybe I told someone to go fuck themselves. Maybe it's Leo. Because I make fun of that whole situation with Apex and fucking Leo. That whole lawsuit bullshit. Maybe it's him. He's very tech savvy. I don't know who it is. I'll never know who it is. I'll never know. They're paying somebody to do it. Maybe it's Patrick. I don't think it's Patrick, though. I'm like not even a fucking I'm not even a fly on his back, you know, in terms of if you compare my channel to his channel, I can't even wear his jock strap. So I don't think he would give a fuck. But whatever. Tactical, what up? It's Kellyanne. Yeah, right. Imagine. Mr. Battle. Yeah, like this shit costs money. What a waste of money. Now it says 3,900 concurrent view. Yeah, okay. That's what I'm saying. I'm already in. Wow. We came all the way back up. Look at that. Well, I'm in short. I wanted to retest this fucking spot right here. We're gonna find out. Uh-oh. Ruh-roh. Watch it come all the way up here. I'll be so fucking pissed. All because I wouldn't even be trading this account if I didn't fucking... All I had to do was hold my take profit. If I just held hold to my take profit that got hit, both of them got hit, when I raised it up, then I wouldn't have even been doing this shit. But that's what happens. I wouldn't even be trading this account. I'd be done. I could have stopped trading already, but whatever. You know me. I'm a fucking idiot. Can't help myself. Manco Pack, what up? How? How is it not working? That means you already had an account. You have to put it in. I can't put, if you try it, if you already had an account with them, you could get 20% off Starter Plus accounts. What's up, Nicolaus? Come on, get back down there, motherfucker. Trader backtest. I don't know. Somebody just has such a fucking boner for me. I got some stands, and one of them's paying for bots. They think it's gonna harm me somehow. They think it's gonna harm me somehow. Come on, get down there. Keep going. Oh, come on. Hit my fucking take profit once. For fucking crying out loud. Hit my take profit. Let's go. Hit that shit. Hey, there we go. Now I'm done for the day in this account. Now I'm fucking done. This motherfucker fucking slams me with these bots like I shit in their scrambled eggs. The best, the biggest, the largest, the best trader on these prop firm streets, according to nobody. This motherfucker hits my shit with bots like, hey, just tell me who you're working for. Just tell me who's paying you to do this shit, pussy. I just want to know. Bacon, what up? You like that? Are you still awake? You woke up? Yeah, 19K watching. They ain't watching. Nobody's watching. Nobody's watching. I'm getting botted hard, bro. Getting botted hard. They want me to glaze on them. They want my glaze. Bo Vosh. Yo, ask Scott. He's paying someone to bot my fucking account. Yeah. Look at this shit. It just keeps fucking going up. Thank you, HR. Thank you. Now I'm done for the day with this Bull and Ox account. Day 4, locked. I'm at $3,235. I'm almost in payout land. We're almost there. 4 days in. Can I not fuck this up the next fucking 5 days or 4 days or whatever? No, these aren't real though, Nestor. These aren't real viewers. It's all bullshit. We had about 140 people on, 140 to 150 people on, and then the fucking clown that fucking does this shit decided to turn the shit on. What's up?
Do you have one of these that's this size? I ain't using this. This one's so much easier.
Hold on. Mr. Phibbs, what up? No, there's not that. There's only like 140 people watching. I'm getting bot attacked by some fucking loser. All right, I'll be right back. I got to help my daughter with something. Who would do that? Someone who doesn't like me and wants to inflict harm on me. They want to, cause me financial harm or cause me reputational harm. Like people think that I'm actually trying to get this money, like that I'm lying and putting this many people on. I don't even know. But someone said that everybody's getting hit. I get hit every fucking time I stream. Not just one time. Not once a week. It's every fucking time I stream. I can stream 5 times a day and I'll get fucking bombarded with these fucking bots. No, I get that, bro. I get that. But like, I don't know how YouTube's gonna react to it. Bo Vosh. I'll be right back, guys. I gotta help my daughter.
This one hurts my hands, and I have to. It keeps going.
Okay. Make my list. Oh, anyway, sorry guys. My daughter's building herself her little like a desk or like a fucking storage table thing, and she needed a certain size Allen key. Trader Backtest, what up? Remember me. The most popular crash out. I'm not crashing out. I'm up fucking $738 and I requested 6 G's. I requested $6,000 from Apex. How am I crashing out? I'm not crashing out at all. It's just fucking annoying. Sean, what up? I get hit with bots. I get hit with the bots more than fucking anybody else does. Big Dave. Like I'm like I must be too transparent and open and honest about what I do. You know, with how I trade and shit. Maybe I should start hiding my account numbers. Maybe I should hide my account numbers, and only show the screen on the winning trading accounts, If I was monetized, if I had ads on, it would definitely affect my ability to earn with ads, but I don't have it on, so it don't matter. I don't know, Triple B. I got responded to with a. They're not still doing that. They kind of caught up. They did catch up. I had an issue last week, and chat got back to me pretty quickly, and then they fucking addressed the situation, and they had to give me a credit. It wasn't it wasn't an activation fee. It wasn't an activation credit. It was for something else. I got charged for something that I wasn't supposed to get charged for, or I did get charged for a rebill, but never got the account. So they gave me a reset credit, a few days later. I didn't have an issue. So I think they caught up. I don't know how much these bots cost. Yeah, it just ain't right. We all know it's not fucking real. What up, Fred? RM. They're not real. It's all fucking bullshit. There were probably about 140 you guys on. They were, I know, I could tell. We were at like 147 before the bots came. No, I can't see who's on my stream. The only thing I could do is look after. I could look after and see where the shit came from, which I haven't done yet. Wow, we made an equal low here and bounced again. The fuck? Howdy do. Oh, man. That sucks, man, but thanks for using the best code. Any other accounts comparable that I could recommend right now that's like on a deal? Holy shit. Take Profit Trader? I mean, Apex doesn't even have a sale going unless you consider 50% off a sale, which I don't. I would say Take Profit Trader, 30% off, no activation fee. But you got to know what if your pass rate's low, it's going to be expensive to get a funded account. Bolinox doesn't have any deals going right now. So that's the thing. You know what I'm saying? Like if your pass rate, if you're still, learning how to, play the game. No, let's not get me to with 100,000 viewers. They're not real trader backtest. I don't want any of them. I don't want any of this shit, bro. What up, Sam? I don't want any of these fake fucking viewers. But here's my link for Take Profit Trader. Use the best code ZERODAYJAY to get 30% off with no activation fee. Yeah, so if you're new, bro, I don't know. I don't think Take Profit Trader is right for you if you're new. John Amos, I don't think he got rid of them. He didn't get rid of him. He just hasn't been attacked. You can't get rid of him. There's no way to get rid of him. But you can, yeah, but John, yeah, please do so. Ask him. He might, there's no way to get rid of him. Been trying for 6 months. All right, so you're not that new. Just know that you're getting closer, man. Some people, it took me 7 months before I got my first payout. Some people, it takes years. There's people that have come on and said, it took me 1.5 years. I had another person say 3 years. Yeah, just see if you could find anything out, John. That would be extremely helpful, man. Let me know. Thank you, bro. Yeah, you just got to, just know that you're getting closer. You are getting closer. And when you think when you feel like you want to quit, I tell this to people all the time. When you're really fucking fed up and you're ready to give up on yourself, that's when you're right about to have a breakthrough. So just don't give up on yourself. Little Hammer, what up? Hey, nice job. Your first payout ever? Your first payout ever? Or your first payout with My Fund the Futures? Crankberry's on 5. That's what I'm saying. Everybody's on their own journey. Some people are going to do it. Some people do it within a couple of months. Some people do it takes a while. Charles Hendershot. I know some, don't, man. Is that your real last name? It's none of my business, obviously, and we got people watching, but I played baseball with somebody with that same last name out here in Vegas. Yeah. You're paying your tuition. You're paying your tuition. You know what I'm saying? Mikey, there are not 28,000 people watching. Josh. First payout does make your balls drop. QO Bill. They ain't real. These motherfuckers ain't real. It's all bullshit. Some fucking clown is fucking bot attacking my shit. First ever for Little Hammer. Fuck yeah. Pound that confetti like roast beef. How fast did that payout come? You probably had to get some shit in play. My Fund the Futures pays the fastest. If you have everything in place. Well, we did some good work. We requested 6,000. And I got my Bolinox account up 738. Let me make sure I'm fucking flattened. No orders. We're getting close. We're coming close to where I thought we were going to fucking bounce off of. We're almost at previous day's low. Yesterday's New York low was right here. Cherry popped. That's right. They are not fucking real. They are not real, trader backtest. I guarantee you. They're not real. It's all bullshit. It literally shot up. It's all fucking fake. There's probably at this point, there's probably 150 people on. How long did I trade I don't trade micros ever. The only time I trade micros is when I get flip day, when I need to get flip days in, or if I'm really close to being out of drawdown completely and I got to try to build myself some cushion. I need more. When I need to build more cushion for the push-in, I'll use micros. Denied by Apex 3 times in a row, Fred. What do you keep violating the 30% rule? Trader backtest. It's just, they just don't, someone doesn't like me and is out to get me. They literally fucking told me. But they won't tell me who's paying them to do it. Just keep pushing, man. What other deals are going on? Right now, the only other deal that's good, well, actually, there's a couple that with prop firms that I fuck with. My funded futures, if you've never had an account with them, you could get 50% off any size account for the entire month of May for your first-time account. For a first-time user, anybody else, you could get 20% off Starter Plus for the rest of the week. I don't know what size, though. Let me just double-check. I don't know if there's a specific size with Starter Plus. Let's see. Oh, any type of Starter Plus plan. 20% off this until May 11th. If you've never had an account with them, new users, 50% off any plan, any size, with the best code ZERODAYJAY. Otherwise, it's 5% off everything else. I was looking to see when Kellyanne was on here last. Someone was asking for her. When you use the best code ZERODAYJAY, here's my fucking link. $40 off trade day. Trade day still doing 40% off any type of account. They just added Project SlipX. You could have a 50K intraday trade day account for $75. That's not bad. Trade day is good. I like trade day. I just, I have an account. You can only have one account with them. That's the issue. Here's the Discord. 93 messages. Jump to present. I'm looking at this. Yeah. Congrats. Uh-oh. Congrats. Thanks, Newts. How long are my stops usually? What stops? When Franny, what's up? When I trade with Apex, I literally set my stop so it doesn't violate the 30% drawdown rule. That's my stop usually, around there. In other prop firms, it really depends. I don't know. I don't have like a hard and fast rule for stops on when I trade. I'm kind of a little aggressive and loose when I trade. Bacon, yeah. Matthew Van Zandt, yup. Bots again. The Knicks are not looking fucking good at all. The Celtics are just so fucking good. The Celtics are so good. I hate them. Gary Beebe, thank you, man. Thank you. I appreciate the support. What up, Ariel? Can you flip MNQ context on Apex? You're on day 7? Yes. You can flip. You just have to have 5 days of $50 or more. And, all the other shit. But you can flip the last 3 days. That's what I did on all of these accounts. I got approved on this one. I'm just waiting on the rest of them to get approved. Coach Fred, tell me he wasn't fucking amazing, bro. Gronk AI says $1 to $2 per 1,000 bots on YouTube reviews. What a waste of money. What a waste of fucking money. What a waste of energy. They're just putting out bad juju energy. They're putting out bad energy. Bad juju. Oh, that's what you want to spend your time on. That's what kind of energy you want to put out to the world. Go for it. Where are we at? What do we want to do here? Yeah, this is, yeah, I don't know. Oh, is that shit? Did I just miss it? Oh, we're still not at, I still think we're going to come down to this previous day's low. Cube, what up? Yeah, that was fucking funny. What up, V33? Shorted at the 34. Lord Woodslinger said, yeah, no problem, Ariel. What's the account up to? I'm just curious where it's at. Golden Knights versus Oilers? GMAT? I've never been to a fucking Golden Knights game. They're mad money. Mad cheddar. Mad cheddar, Bob. That's a nice little bounce there, though. I would love 15 points. Ah. Who's here? Who's here? Nobody. Yo, Alfred, the biggest, the largest. The biggest, the largest. Approve my shit. God damn it. Pool boy working extra hours. Oh, you're at 4,100? Yeah, bro. Yeah. If you got 5 days of $50 or more and you're good on the 30% consistency rule, then just flip the rest of the way. That's what I'm doing. That's how I did it. I basically tried to grow these accounts as fast as possible, as big as possible. Bot Master J, yeah. It's so fucking crazy. What a waste of fucking money. And energy. I'm going to show Jay. I'm going to show you. I hate you, Jay. I hate you. On 7 accounts. Ariel. Fuck yeah, bro. Hey, I like that. Talk dirty to me. I love it. Keep talking dirty to me. Tell me more. I got to activate some XFAs, but probably not a good time to do that. Hold on a sec. I got to do something here. Had to log back into my Apex account. Set my risk settings. Don't want to get filled accidentally. Shit. $1 to make them holla. 279, 278. I just got to do 277. Since I'm waiting on these payouts. Just protecting the bag. Oh, I'm hiding my accounts. Hold on. Fuck. Just ain't right. We got new hour fuckery coming. Gold's popping. Uncle Mo. Uncle Mo. Is gold popping? Oh, what the fuck? The fuck just happened? We just went up 200 ticks from the bottom. Just here, we went up like 150 ticks. I love gold. What the fuck just happened? Damn, homie. Is there news? What would make gold do that? Yeah, I'm telling you, man. I just feel like we're going to make new highs again. Just give it a couple of days. Gold just got hit with bots too. The bots are hitting gold now. That's fucking funny. Damn, iTrade, that was fucking crazy. War? Yeah. I mean, there's shit going on all over the place. Damn, bro, this shit's still going. What's fucking NQ doing? Nothing. There's the NQ. Where's gold at? Oh. 571. That was 30 ticks right there. So tempting. So tempting. You think it goes up and makes new highs now? Gold is crazy, man. I can't be fucking with gold right now. Yeah, gold is nuts. I don't know. NQ ain't doing shit. I mean, it's not moving nearly as much. Oh shit. My dinner's ready. I had no idea. Micah. Oh shit. Just now at the top? At the top? Oh, see, look. New highs. Yo. On what time frame? On the daily? Look at that shit, bro. It's all of this. Needs to get through this. I mean, look, man. It's fucking crazy. Gold is fucking crazy. It just went up 60 fucking ticks. $9 a.m. in China must have gold. Olivier, what up? This is gold. GC. Nice, Micah. Don't chase. I thought about going in long here. I don't trust this shit. I'm such a pussy. I'm such a pussy. This shit is crazy. Fucking gold. Ooh, the Knicks are making it a game. They're only down by 4 now. Man, how are they going to win with guys like Mikal Bridges going 2 for fucking 10? Look at Mitchell Robinson plus 13 when he's on the fucking court. What happened to Porzingis? Did he get hurt? What else is new? The guy, oh my God, the guy's made of fucking glass. He left in the middle of the game. He's made of fucking glass. Gold is crazy. What's the NQ doing? Oh, the NQ dropped. Missed it. Fucking crazy. I love gold. What a bounce. 70 ticks from here. Don Burberry. Crude oil? What's crude oil doing? What the fuck? What's going on? What's going on in the world? Crude, what the fuck? Yo, this shit is still fucking going up. Fuck this. I ain't fucking with this. We went up, yo, from this bounce here, it went up 140 ticks. Make that 150. From here, forget about, from here, 350 ticks in what, 10 minutes? That's fucking crazy. What up? What up, Josh? Don. Yeah, they're not real. They're not fucking real. This shit went up to fucking 28,000. It's a fucking it's a fucking joke. What up, Investors? Roger Adams, what's good? This is stupid. This is stupid. Oh, I'm so tempted. Nope, I'm not going to fall for it. I'm not going to let it fucking suck me in. Wow, gold came all the way back up. Where's gold at? Interesting. You went long in gold? You told me not to chase, Alfred. Unbelievable. That's messed up, bro. Let's see. I got to go eat. My food's been ready for like 25 minutes. Alfred didn't want me to get in long in gold and mush his trade. That's why he told me not to chase. Sean, be good, bro. Yeah, guys. I'm so fucking annoyed. I missed all of that. Amazing. Fucking gold. Gold is crazy. It's up. It went up like 500 ticks. It went up like 500 ticks from this low right here. In 25 minutes, it went up 500 ticks, guys. Really, it happened all here in like 15 minutes. Oh, I was in before. All right, Alfred. You told me not to chase here. It's all right. I wasn't going to anyway. Gold, I love gold, but man, it fucks with me hard. Vinny Cuz. Vinny Cuz. What up? Oh, I'm so fucking tempted. Whatever. I did good work. I did good work. I got my Bullinox account up $738. I'm almost over the buffer. Well, I'm almost at payout. I'm almost at it in payout land. I need to get to 3,600 to get the payout land. And I did this in 4 days, so I'm hoping I could, continue growing this account and get myself my first ever fucking payout from Bolognese. That'd be cool. It's only May now. I requested these payouts from Apex. Waiting on those. I'm waiting on 4 now. I'm waiting on $8,000 worth of requests to get approved. Fucking gold, man. Look at it. It just won't stop. All right, guys, I'm going to bounce. I got to eat. I got to go to the gym. I'll be on later at some point, hopefully, if I don't pass out. I will definitely be on for Power Hour, 3 to 5 p.m. Eastern. So smash the like button on your way out for Trevor LeConte. Subscribe to the channel if you're not yet subscribed. And thank you so much for hanging out. Yeah, doing this in a funded take profit trader investors, oh my God. Or even an XFA. In an XFA with Top Step. I have XFAs. I have to activate them. I haven't even activated them yet. Fuck me. That would have been beautiful, riding that gold up. Fuck, man. I'm not doing it. I'm not doing it. I'm getting off. I'm going out a winner. I'm going out a winner. Ariel, you as well. All right, guys. Thank you so much. I will see you later. Oh, join the Discord. If you're not in the Discord yet, anybody who's not in the Discord, you want to join, it's free to join. Here's the link. It's where the DCA gang hangs out. And I will see you guys soon. Thank you so much for hanging out. Enjoy the rest of your night.